want hemp milk. Because it's good for you. I don't think dairy hurt my belly. So the tradition in the day, the person take the mama away from the baby when it turned born. And you know why that happened? Because the person would take it away from the baby, get our milk out, and milk made it get bitter and bitter and bitter with other cow. And without the baby having milk, the baby will die without milk. Now how you know? I did one cup of hemp. We are dates. What I'm gonna put in here? Two of them. 1, 2. You know what? 1, 4. We need to torch up the water, and the water right here. One tablespoon of extra. One pan on top. One tiny pan on top. Another top right there. Oh, it's time to bend it. That is heavy. Oh my God. I want to make sure our tap's on when we bend it. Are you bending it a little tummy? So we have to let it tether for a little bit and then you tie it.
See how easy.
This is date. My kid's gonna tie it. You want more? Yeah.
Take a fee first.
Usually we use a teen top, but we don't use this teen top because we have it. They had a teen top. Pour too much until it peels. I'm waiting until it peels off, and then I will put more. And it's topping on the tea, and you know the tea that I put in there. And all the tea that I put in there, it bend them because there's a sharp bait under here, and it bend them up, and it tuck them. I have my cane milk and I don't pour it into the jar. I made hemp milk! Wow, easy it was.